In this tutorial, we will introduce you to many SnapMaps tools and features. If you haven't watched the video, Getting Started in SnapMaps with the Basics, you should, since it will help. Now that you have your farm uploaded to SnapMaps, we are going to show you some of the tools that are available to you on the website. Let's take a little tour. Zooming and panning can be done by scrolling in and out and clicking and dragging the map using your mouse. Another option for zooming would be to use this zoom bar. You can also find a location by clicking on Search TRS in the upper right-hand corner. Here you can enter the township number, range, direction, and section of the area you are looking for. Now let's look at our available tools in the Information Tools menu. You can clear the active tool you are using, choose Identify Soil Type or Identify Field to get more information on the soil map unit or field properties where you click. You can also measure distances and areas and perform other operations. In the Drawing Tools menu, you can draw, edit, or delete map features such as fields, concentrated flow channels, point features such as wells, manure prohibited areas, and more. You can also import or export shapefiles of any of these drawn features. One useful feature in the Drawing Tools menu I want to highlight is the Annotation tool. By selecting this tool, you can left-click on any region of the map to add a label or note if needed. In the PDF Creation menu, you can create maps of your farm to print off or save for reference. On the left, you can see the legend where you can check and uncheck layers you want shown on the map depending on what you're looking for. If you click on Field Properties, you can select different variables that you'd like to see on the map, such as p-index, organic matter, nutrient needs, and more. You can also change field labels by selecting up to 2 different variables for labels. If you click on Field List, you will see a table of all your fields along with their acreage, crop type, tillage, and application information. You can export this information as a CSV file, Excel file, PDF, or print it off if you'd like. If you need any help with SnapMaps, you can click on Help in the upper right-hand corner of the website, and it will direct you to the SnapMaps section of the Help menu. This is the end of the tutorial on all the available tools in SnapMaps.